I'll show you how you can add story into your highlights without posting a story. So I'm just gonna go to my 3-part setting up here. After that's done, you want to scroll down and then you want to go ahead and go to hide story and live. Now on hide story and live, you want to go ahead and hide your story from all of your general followers. So for example, I want to hide my story from Harry Styles, for example. So Harry Styles follow me and I want to follow it. So I'm gonna hide it from him. I'm gonna tap on done. Now after that's done, now our followers will not see our story, so we can post our story in peace, right? So once that's done, we want to go ahead and now to post a story. So let's post a story. Now on here, I'm just gonna post this story, for example. Now I'm gonna tap on your story here, right? Now I'm gonna post the story. After that's done, let's just wait for this to post. Once your story is posted, you want to go ahead and go to your story here, and you want to go to highlight. On highlight, add it to highlights. So for example, I'm just gonna type it highlights, and I'm gonna tap on add. Now once I tap on add, you can see we've added it to our highlight. We can view on our profile, and then we can also hide view cons if you'd like, but I'm just gonna leave it on, and then that's it. We're done.